Hello, good evening, everyone. Hello, 左先生, okay, Lim KL Lim, okay, HSS EB NEWCEHB, okay, no problem. Asia Ply, okay, break 17 or not, okay, Asia Ply and Yong Tai La, right, same as well, okay. Hello, Anthony. Market can cross 1530, 1540. I think we need to see by end of this week lah. Okay. For me last week indeed they have a lot of good news. Okay. And we need to see whether this week the news can continue keep on or not. Okay. So or any U-turn lah. Okay. So indicate R1, R2, S1, S2 for the UOA development, RCE cap, ULI crop. Okay, no problem. Hello, CY Chan. Okay, GF okay, and Velesto, share and like. Okay, so please help me to click, like, and also share this live session so we can get more viewers to tune in. Hello, Wa Chin. Okay, hello, good evening. How are you? Okay, today content. Let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Hello, Leong Ng. Okay, how are you? Okay, so yep, and disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. So you just key in your question or the stocks to review, provide me more information so that I can give a better point of view lah. Okay, so let's warm up with US market first. Okay, so far, a weekly point of view, Dow Jones closing considered bullish. As we can see on Friday, they do have a lot of good news, especially like the China and US talk lah, okay, negotiation which were held on today, right? So I get yet to see any outcome yet lah. I guess the progress will be okay. So tentatively it's still alright. Okay, last week closing is still alright. Okay, so we still don't know how about this week. Okay, so we need to see whether the good news will be a better good news or market. Okay, how market react with the news, okay, or marketing still got a lot uncertainty or what. Okay, but at the moment the overall sentiment I think is still favorable to the bull side lah. Okay, S&P as well. S&P the last week already broken out above 5,009, 5,950, currently challenging 6,000s. Okay, Nasdaq as well. Okay, broken up above the 21.3k, 21.5k, and seems like they do have chance to heading to 22k. Okay, so far so strong lah. Okay, so far so strong. And how about HSI? Okay, let's go to HSI. Okay, HSI, as you can see, last week closing pretty bullish. Okay, so I guess the market also pricing in on the trade talk. Okay, but the talk just talk only yet to confirm. We still don't know whether they will gaddle in between or not lah. Okay, but at the moment we can see last week market is still very bullish with them, and currently they are challenging 24k and currently trading at 24.1k. So meaning so long tonight stay above 24k, tomorrow we do have chance to see more upside on the HSI. Momentum is still alright. Okay, so about global market, now back to the oil price. Okay, let's see how is the oil price. Okay, oil price last week closing considered not too bad. Okay, but they yet to break crucial level 65, 67. Okay, this is WTI. As I mentioned quite some time before, WTI has been sideways around this zone for a couple of months. Okay, pending for the breakout. Okay, a confirmation. Once they can clear through this level, we may see some bounce up, probably to $80 lah. Okay, this is WTI as they already do a potential accumulation around here. Okay, if happen they have a breakout and we may see more upside, probably to the $80. Okay, this is the oil price. And how about the gold price? Okay, gold price at the moment, if you based on a weekly point of view, there has been sideways within this zone for about 2 months already. Okay, no direction yet. And last week you can see it looks like a little bit weakening when they try to go to 3004. Okay, so in my opinion, go a little bit topish. Okay, so maybe they may face some correction. Okay, but doesn't mean that they will go into downtrend or go into bearish zone. Okay, but what I see is maybe they time for them to do some correction. Okay, probably to retest 3,000 marks. But yeah, we need to see them whether they can break through 3,002 or not. Okay, break below 3002, we are seeing more downside probably to 3000. Okay, but if they can get supported, they are going to continue sideways lah. Okay, this is a gold price. And how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin, if we can see, ever since they break above the all-time high, previous all-time high, okay, they gonna wash down again. But last week closing, for me, it's neutral lah. Okay, at least they try to wash down near 100k, but by end of week, they managed to go up back again. Okay, make the closing price neutral. So yeah, this week also crucial lah, whether they can go back above, go back above 108 or not. If they are able to go through above 108, the rally shall continue. Okay, if unable to go through 108, they might continue sideways lah. And how about the Ethereum? Okay, Ethereum, I use this chart. Okay, so far you can see based on weekly point of view, Ethereum has been sideways for about 4 to 5 weeks already. Okay, about 4 weeks plus lah. Okay, so they not able to break below 2004, but they also yet to break above 2007. So for them to have a big move, they need to clear 2007 minimum. Okay, but if they go below 2004, no game ready lah. They may gonna attacked by the bear. Okay, and how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, our KLCI has been down for 2 weeks. Okay, we can see since this so-called shooting star happened, we have a 2 bearish week. Okay, what happened last week? Okay, we do retest 1005, but by end of week, they managed to close like a hammer or like candle lah. Okay, so based on here, also indicate that the bear take a pause. Market may bounce out from 1005, but overall they are still weak. Okay, overall they are still weak. Okay, on the bright side, what we can interpret from here is okay, they break up from the downtrend channel, right? Break up, and they come back to retest here. Okay, also consider macam is the resistance and support lah. So meaning currently they need to stay above 1005. Okay, for this to be valid. Okay, but if they are unable to clear, okay, if they are unable to supported by 1005, then susah lah. Okay, we may see 14 something already. Okay, but even they can bounce up, you also need to take note on 1530, 1540 as your resistance. Okay, because this was a strong support back then. So for me, short-term bounce is still possible, but for them to make a comeback, make a reversal, we still need to KIV lah. Okay, so yeah, that's all for all the market outlook and analysis. And yeah, we need your help lah, to share around. Okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, I see the viewership. Okay, the audience macam so only for tonight. Okay, so let's start with our first Q&A. HSSEBO susah lah ini. Okay, this one game over lah. Okay, sudah game over lah. Don't do anything is better. So what we can see on this HSSEB, this is a weekly chart. Weekly chart tak boleh already. Daily lagi tak boleh. Okay, tak boleh lah. Okay, so what we can see, this is a so-called, you can say is a so-called not so light, but yeah, you can say it's a so-called head and shoulder, or maybe some mountain. Okay, they also already broken down below one of the crucial level 880. Tak cantik already. Okay, very ugly. And the first signal was here when they first break down below the 200 MAs. Okay, you can see even this time they try to support it. They also not able to go up further, and they come back to retest, and they break below 102. Okay, this already give you a signal that macam not so good already. Here also break down, and one of the crucial last support is a 880 level, also broken down already. So tentatively, I would say the bear is in control. Even today got volumes, they have they already slowed down the selling pressure lah. For me, what I see is just a rebound lah. Okay, so from the short term point of view, at least we can see, okay, what we can see here is, okay, they slow down. Okay, they started to form a base somewhere around 585. Okay, volume build up. Okay, so this may attract some short term rebound only. Okay, what I see is maybe rebound to 20 or 50 MA. then the possibility of continuous sell down is still there. Okay, so short-term rebound may be okay, but I don't think mid to long term is confirm not so good already lah. Okay, maybe short-term rebound they may attract, okay, due to the oversold, maybe they may attract a short-term rebound maybe to 70 cent plus minus, okay, then maybe got some reversal signal, then continue sell down. So just a oversold and rebound only lah, okay, tentatively. Let me put a Malaysia country, easier to find. Too many similar stocks. Okay, this NE last time kena washed out, but now it's still alright. Okay, previously let me see when my trade plan. Okay, my trade plan was like that. Yeah, I think around here. Okay, I kena wash out lah. So I didn't monitor already. Okay, but it's still alright. Okay, still alright. So I think my cut loss is below 40 cents lah. So sudah kena stop up. Okay. So in fact their support is a 390 level lah. Okay, so far so good. Okay, at least we can see this NE they forming a support at 390, and recently got some volumes come back. Okay, and your current support is a 420 level lah. Okay, so I guess they will continue sideways, but it's still okay. Okay, still in the bright side. Volume wise boleh tahan lah. Okay, boleh tahan. Okay, let me see momentum boleh juga. Okay, so based on here we know their last defense is a 390 lah. So meaning so long above 390 the structure is still fine. So this one watchable or not? Yeah, watchable lah. Watchable. Then resistant tenor on 460 low, because previously they overshoot and get rejected somewhere around 460. So tenor on here, then only 50 cents a level. Okay, how about the WCEHB? Oh, ada some volume juga. Okay, these counters like that see lah, is downtrend counters lah. Okay, so let me delete all the lines. Okay, at least you can see these counters already below 200 MA since last year. Okay, I think somewhere around June lah. Okay, 1 year anniversary already. So even the bounce up also not successful. Okay, go above 200 MAs, the next few days kena wash down. So means the bear is still in the full control. Okay, this is quite bearish counters. Short-term rebound, I think yes, based on recent build out lah. Okay, at least we can see let me draw nicer 695 70 cents lah, 70 cents. Okay, at least from recent performance we can see they have a volume here, pump up, wash down. Okay, volume is low and today got some volumes pump up. Okay, at least this indicate short-term momentum is there. Okay, 20 and 50 MA is there. Okay, so short-term rebound lah. Ada opportunity. So long the closing price above 70 cents. Yeah, short-term is there, and even they can go up. I don't think can go up too much. Probably, yeah. One of the crucial level is they have a gap down here. And you can see the extreme level is somewhere around 745. So take note, 745 is your immediate resistance, and also 755 lah. Okay, momentum ada there, and yeah, take note 70 cents cannot be broken down lah. Below 70 cents, then WCHB we can watch lah. Below 70 cents, then maybe okay lah, short term. Okay, so let's go for the Asia Ply. Let's see lah. Okay, last Wednesday we just reviewed. Okay, they diam 2 days already. Today another volume pump. Okay lah. Okay, today volume not too much, but better than Thursday and Friday. Okay, so tentatively they are still within the plan. Okay, still within the plan. So whether they can break or not, we don't know. But at least the structure is still okay. Okay, this one you need patience on it lah. Okay, sometimes they might sideways for a couple of weeks, or even they want sideways for 1 month, 2 months also possible one. Okay, so you need patience. Based on the structure, I guess it's still alright. Okay, and how about the Yongtai break 23 or not? Okay, Yongtai previously I do mention. Okay, although they're not so cantik already, but take note on 170, 180. Okay, so far this crucial level they yet to break down, so it's still fight above, so long above 170. So whether they can break to 230 or not, we don't know yet. Okay, we need them to break 20 cents first. Okay, today closing price 20 cents lah. Okay, volume improve sikit. I hope that they can go above 20 cents. Okay, means 205 210 okay, and above, then will be better. Then we only see whether they can hit 230 or not. Okay, can break or not, we still don't know. Okay, we need to review every time lah. Cannot. From here 20 cents, if I say can predict 230, it's like something wrong already lah. Like I know some insider news. Okay, in fact I don't know. Okay, so yeah, we need to review level by level. Okay, tentatively I need them to go above 20 cents first. Then we only see whether they can go to 230. Then only see whether they got the volume or momentum to support the breakup. Okay, so yeah, we see lah. Next few days whether they can clear or not. Okay, so how about the from Anthony is a 1530 1540 lah KLCI, right? So for me is I think they will face some resistance when they near 1530 1540. Okay, unless our country have a super good news, okay, to the market, then can break up lah. Okay, otherwise at the moment I didn't see our country got any exciting or any new news that can excited the market. Okay, so yeah, I would think if without any news I think they were just resisted by 1530 or 1540 lah. Okay, so how about the UOA development? Okay, this one quite illiquid lah, based on what I see. But at least they are trying to go above 200 MAs, which is good for them. Okay, since they have a little bit gap here, so I will use a 179 as their immediate support. Okay, 179, 175 as your S1, S2. Okay, so for them to turning around, I think also possible lah. They form a so-called not so alike, but you can say it's a so-called double bottom at here, and they do have a breakout somewhere around 179. Okay, we can use a 179 as your immediate support. Okay, so long stay above, I will say this breakout is still valid. Okay, how about their next resistance? 190 loh. Okay, Tino here lah 190. If you want a minor one, I will say somewhere around 183, 185 like that, but maybe I will put far a bit, 190 and 196. Okay, so this one, for them to turn around, I guess they still have the potential. Okay, still have potential. Okay, how about the RCE cap? Okay, RCE cap has been in this zone since February lah. Okay, about 2 to 3 months, 3 to 4 months lah, like that. Okay, at least we can see they test a bottom, test a bottom, test a bottom. Possible. They form a potential reverse, inverse head and shoulder. Okay, also possible. Okay, this low. Now they are creating another low. Another potential bottom lah. Okay, which they bounce from the 1, 2, 3 level. Okay, for the confirmation, yeah, they need to clear 135 lah. Okay, once clear 135, this formation only consider valid. Okay, if no breakout, this we consider as a downtrend, sideways, something like that only. Okay, so tentatively, as you can see lah, the support is a 123 and 118, and the resistance 135 lah. They need to clear this level. Once they clear, I think 143 and 150 also possible lah. R1, R2 also possible lah. Okay, 135 would be your immediate R resistance lah. Okay, Ulicrop. Ulicrop, I think still in downtrend. Okay, the downtrend is last year November when they have a gap down here, come back to fill the gap, but no strength. Okay, recently the selling pressure started to slow down. They are like trading within 135 to 150 level, but overall they are still in the downtrend because still below 200 MAs. So important lah, 135. If 135 fail to hold, I think they may have more downside. And 125 would be the last important support already lah. If they break 125, 1 ringgit already. Next level. Okay, 150 would be your immediate support. Immediate resistance, and the next one would be 162. Okay, or maybe I round down to 160 because of the 200 MAs here. 150, 160, 170. Okay, will be your R1, R2, R3. Okay, overall, I think RCE cap, the structure looks okay. I think still got potential. Need a confirmation. And UOA, I think they already have a breakout. So looks also better. Looks okay. And Unicrop, I think they still need some time. Okay. And how about the GFM? Review GFM Valesto. Okay, GFM volume. 2nd of May, they have volume only. After that, whole month, not much volumes. These counters since last year August, they already broken down below 200 MAs and they have a gap down in July. Okay, gap down, break down, sell down. Okay, so what we can see on the bigger pictures. Okay, on the bigger pictures, you see 220 to 155. Okay, so you can see before they go up, before this rally, 2022 to let's say 2024 Okay, so which is 1 or 2 years, about 2 years, they has been sideways around this zone. Okay, then they have a breakout, they jalan. Then the jalan habis already, they sell down. Okay, this crucial support also broken down already. So currently, okay, 2025, what happened? They are in the same zone again. If history may repeat itself, means they do have potential to sideways for 2 years, possible. Okay, this is what I base on 2020, or we can say it's it's a 2022 until 2023 year end. So I will say it's about 2 years plus . So the project finished already, now back to the sideways zone. So I guess based on the bigger point of view, I guess they may sideways for minimum couple of weeks, and longest probably to 2 to 3 years. Okay, maybe you want to reaccumulation . Okay, unless we see something like I think give them some time to sideways . Even they have a short-term bounce up or short-term rebound, we only review again. We see any chances at the moment. I see most likely will sideways for quite a long time. Okay, Valesto, at least they have a breakup . Okay, Valesto, at least they have a previously back in last year July, they broken down below 200 MAs, right? So Tachante ready from 240, sell down all the way to 125. Okay, but at least we can see they found a bottom already. Okay, currently they trying to recover 170. Okay, which is a good move for them. Okay, based on the moving averages point of view, at least they are above all moving averages. So as you know the characteristic, they will sideways, suddenly pump out and continue sideways. Okay, this is their characteristic . So what I think is okay, at least they try to go back above 170, currently at 185. So maybe they will sideways . Okay, if not mistaken, this one is a O and G related, right? So if the oil price can pump out, okay, breakthrough WTI, breakthrough 65, breakthrough 67, go to $80, then maybe this got benefited . Okay, so this one I would say, okay, at least they try to go back 170. The next mission is to go through 190 already. Or we can say 20 cents. 190 first, 190 and then 205. Okay, R1, R2. So they make a good progress. So I guess still okay. Just this one you need patience need patience. They memang slow punya. Okay, how about Ecovest? Okay, Ecovest, surprisingly okay. Okay, they con too many times already. Okay, always kena tipu. But now, looks like they make a very strong recovery. You can see they can from 250 recovered to 385, which is very good for them. Okay, currently the price is above all moving averages, and most importantly, they recover above the 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 350 lah. So yeah, if you look back back in last year, they also quite suka sideways di sini. Okay, only beginning of this year they break down, kena sell down. Now they go back and continue sideways around here. Okay, so above 350, I guess is still alright. And they need to clear crucial level low 40 cents. They need to clear here. Okay, once they can clear, then you can see 440 and 460. So based on the overall structure, okay, this one MACD looks a little bit weak. So I guess they will take some time, go sideways dulu lah. But yeah, still okay. So long above 350 lah. This one can watch lah moving forward. At least they are above 200 MAs. And oh yeah, you are looking for resistance, right? 40 cents, so definitely. Okay, due to, you can see they tested so many times back then, not able to clear. So 40 cents will be your R1 already. Okay, once clear, R2 will be here, 460, 440. Okay, so yeah, potential lah, I would say potential. But sometimes I personally kena con by them many times already. So for me, my size if really you want to trade, I will use a smaller size. Sometimes I think they also know how to read the chart lah. Okay, sometimes they will build very nice chart already. They wash down again. Okay, how about the AGMO? AGMO, if not mistaken, last week we do share and we do say, hey, this is a potential one. So when was that? Okay, I think on Wednesday we do review, and I do mention due to the Tuesday, they have a huge volume pump out. Okay, my expectation was, okay, maybe if they can retrace a bit to 40 cents or how lah. Okay, but they not really retrace lah. So Thursday, Friday, they already pump out already. And today, they hit 200 MAs. Okay, chances, I think yes, but profit taking already lah. Okay, currently, I think more on profit taking activities. Okay, still worth to monitor or not? I think yes, but for me, not entry now lah. Okay, not entry now. I will prefer. Okay, because they have filled the gap here lah. I would prefer when they revisit somewhere around here. Okay, they have a gap here. Okay, because they also okay. If we count, they rally from here, rally up to here already. So it happened, they can retrace down to here, go sideways. I think still okay. Okay, so let me guess. Price rate change from this to here, they already up about 33%. So if they can retrace down to here, I think it's still alright lah. So ideally, is somewhere around here and get supported, then only find for entry lah. Chance is still there, but not now. Not now. Okay, not now. Okay, so how about these ATA ATAMs? Okay, first signal for ATAMs was 29th of May, when they have a huge volume pump in, wash down, and Friday they also have a huge volume pump out. But what happened today? Okay, okay. So what happened today? Today they open gap up and they kena press down. So indicate that the seller is there lah. So if you compare the volumes, Friday and today's volume agak almost the same lah. Okay, so also indicate more than maybe 70%, maybe 70% of the Friday volumes maybe they already sell down already lah. Okay, maybe they take profit already. So moving forward, what we need to see lah. Okay, wait for them to retest support lah, of course. Okay, so maybe we can put a range here. Okay, if the next few days they come back down, retest, get supported, stay above minimum lah, stay above 290, I guess it's still watchable, still got chance lah. But if the next few days they terus makan down, go back to 280, then tak begitu cantik loh. Okay, so still got chance, still can monitor, but not now lah. Okay, not now. Okay, how about the 9988? We go to the Hong Kong Alibaba. Okay, memang this level. Okay, previously when I see is 100. Okay, but I do mention 113, 114. But they memang supported So we can see Thursday they bounced from 114, 113, 114. Friday neutral. Today okay lah, neutral lah. So seems like tentatively for this Alibaba, 113, 114 is their important support lah. Okay, stay above I guess is still okay. But don't expect they can go up too much unless they has a very good news lah. Okay, currently I saw a gap here lah. They have a gap down here, gap down here. So take note your resistance is a 129 level. Okay, so maybe they will go sideways. Stay above 113. I think it's still okay lah. At least the low is getting slight higher and pending for them to clear 129. Okay, so I would say yeah, still good. Okay, just boring. Okay, still good. Okay. Okay, how about the Emulus? Okay, go back to Malaysia. EP, not EP lah, support lah. Oh, Emulus is still fine. Okay, I would say your last defense for Emulus I put at 260 lah. Okay, so long the price above 260 should be alright. Okay, no issue. And volume Thursday got that, Friday today neutral. Okay, for instant, okay, your immediate support 285. So this one Emulus watchable boleh lah. Okay, IFCA stabilize a D. Not yet. Okay, I'm not sure why you are into IFCA. Okay, but based on what I see on IFCA is already in the downtrend. Okay, I remember this counter is a GST software related lah, but I'm not sure whether they have related with the e-invoicing thinking lah. Okay, so based on what I see is actually they already in the downtrend since beginning of this year, January. Okay, when they broke down below 200 MAs. Okay, and they not really found a good support and momentum wise they are still gonna pressure by the bear. Okay, based on the volume point of view, okay, what I can say on the bright side is they have volumes on this date, okay, which is on 26th of May. Okay, they have a huge volume here, and so far they are trying to defend here lah. Okay, even today and last Friday they have a similar volume at 330. So based on what I see here, they not yet stabilized, but they do have potential rebound from this area due to they have a volume here, probably to fill the gap because they have a gap down here, right? So somehow still need to respect 390 this level. Okay, if fail to stay above 330, then we may see more downside. Okay, which based on current momentum and the trend, okay, the trend against you is higher lah. Okay, against you is higher. Okay, for stabilize, I would prefer something like that. Okay, this is a beginning of, maybe we can say it's a 2023 story already lah. This still sideways. Okay, I prefer the stabilize. Okay, they go back above 200 MAs and above 200 MAs, start to go sideways. Okay, this would be a better choice lah for me lah. Okay, better setup. At least the price is above all moving averages. Okay, like here. Okay, at least we know the average price is around here. Okay, but for now it's like you can see the price is below all moving averages. So yeah, even they can bounce out, for me is just a short term lah, bounce and cabut lah. Okay, how about Gadang? Okay, 240 support. Actually, they don't have much volume leh. Okay, this Gadang also below 200 MAs. So at the moment, what we can see is, okay, maybe we are seeing a potential, the low is getting slight higher. Okay, but volume wise, actually for me, so only lah, so only, not much, not really exciting lah. Okay, but Okay, if based on technical, of course, for me it's a no entry lah. But if you maybe you read the fundamental, you think this is a good buy, or you want to find a better level to maybe do an investment for a long term, you see a future growth, then yeah, at the moment maybe 240, 250 is an immediate support lah. Okay, but technically I would say yeah, maybe a short term rebound also possible, but they are still in a downtrend lah, so not so attractive yet lah. Okay, but short term rebound, I think yeah, maybe to 280 also possible lah. Okay, but not much volume. Gadang last time was a very famous counter. Now macam not really heard about it. Okay, Offstar. Okay, Offstar this counter also below 200 MAs as you know lah. Now downtrending. So recently they macam found a bottom somewhere around 40 cents lah. Okay, but you can see lah, they also don't have much volume. I haven't seen any big volume come in to buy up lah. Okay, so I think with these small volumes, they will take up some time, go sideways dulu. Okay, so if we buy now, we are betting on the potential rebound only. Okay, not a reversal or what, because the chart all is looking very bad shape. Okay, maybe macam ini lah, macam ini last year we see macam okay tapi they break down below 650 already. Okay, now 40 cents. So yeah, depends. If trading, I would say no. Okay, but if you think this is a good counters or what, then you watch out lor. Don't break below 40 cents lah. Then okay lor. Okay, but if got choice, I will stay away until we see a clearer picture lah. Okay, you still can ask me anytime after this today. Okay, right? We still can review next week or yeah. Okay, so CP Tech got chance I think yes lah, still alright. Okay, CP Tech as long as they stay above 665, I think okay. Today volume pun ada. Okay, these counters are for me a bit fishy due to the liquidity lah. I feel these counters macam not much volume punya feeling. Okay, but based on the momentum, if you like it, still okay lah. Okay, so don't break below 70 cents. The momentum still fine. And the last defense is a orange zone lah. Okay, which is a 665 level, cannot break down. Okay, Petronas Chemical. Okay, seems like they found not say found lah. Seems like they have a support at 325 level lah. Okay, but this Petronas Chemical is in a downtrending. Okay, just now when we review the oil price, right, we see the oil maybe got a potential bottoming punya feeling. So Petronas Chemical got potential or not? Maybe if oil price push up, maybe they will bring up some sentiment, maybe. So tentatively, we see 325 as the immediate support. Okay, and then you also need to ready lah, 3 ringgit as your second support. Okay, so for them to have a big move, they need to clear 350, 365. Okay, so currently they at the support 325, but technical, if we take away all the buyers, they are still bearish lah. Okay, they are still below 200 MA. And on the bright side is recently they try to stay above 325 only lah. Okay, so still taking a lot risk lah. Okay, we are against the trend now. Okay, so if you're interested, if you think this is a good company, then yeah, 325 I think is a good support. Okay, JF Tech. Oh, so far so good. Okay, 440, 460, they are supported quite well. Okay, so far, okay, macam tak cantik already, but they still get supported. Okay, next mission for them, 50 cents. Okay, they need to clear 50 cents. Then I think will be better and brighter future for them lah. Okay, momentum wise, I think they still have. Okay, so for this JF Tech, they need to break through 50 cents lah. Then I think momentum all okay lah. So this one we monitor and see lah. Okay, both to monitor. Hopefully they can clear 50 cents level. Okay, today's buy out, but the volume lesser than Friday lah. But I think still acceptable lah. Okay, still acceptable. Okay, so long above 440, still alright lah. Okay, how about Greatech? Okay, Greatech also okay lah. They make a good comeback. Okay, take note when the price near 183, 189. Okay, still okay. Okay, semua jalan sama-sama punya. POS. Okay, I need to use back the Malaysia. Post. Okay, Post, they found a support at 235, 245 with a bullish candle today, but not much volumes lah. Okay. Okay, if speaking about the chances, yes, as long as above 235. Okay, so take note, so long above 235, yeah, chances is still there, the structure is still okay, need volumes. Okay, MRCB susah sikit. Okay, susah sikit. Okay, as you can see, MRCB, they do bounce up from here, resisted by here, rejected. Okay, so even they want go up, also no strength. Okay, so this one overall, I think a bit susah lah, a bit susah at the moment. I still yet to see any chance lah. Okay, I still yet to see. Okay, I assume it's a Genting lah. I assume it's a Genting, not GENT. I think it's a Genting lah. Okay, Genting. Okay, we see on the bigger pictures, these counters sideways, then downtrend lah, right? So yeah, on the bright side, what you can see here, on the bright side, Genting, hey, support, and support. Okay, means these counters, they try to defend 3 ringgit marks. Okay, since when? This year March. Okay, so somehow today got pump out a bit, volume that come in. Okay, they also filled the gap. Okay, so is it means they are trying to make a triple, not so, a bit far already lah, a bit triple bottom punya feeling. Okay, so I think, yeah, at least from here we can see lah, they try to defend 3 ringgit mark. Okay, they don't want let the price go beyond, okay, below 3 ringgit. Okay, so for whether they can go reversal or what, yeah, you need to see the next stop, whether they can clear 350 or 365 already. So tentatively we see maybe their bottom line is potentially at 3 ringgit mark. Okay, so the next mission is to clear 318 only lah. Okay, so this one, yeah, I think potential bottoming, but yet to have any reversal lah. Okay, maybe need to take some time lah. Okay, how about the Masses? Okay, Masses so far so good lah. Still above 350, then no problem already. Okay, but on the bigger pictures you can see, okay, this Masses 2022 until now, they are more likely into a sideways zone macam ini saja leh. Okay, only here they got overshoot a bit, but on average, okay, Masses is in a sideways macam ini. Okay, especially recently you can see 2024 onwards, Masses is trading within the zone only. Okay, so at least they are no longer that bearish. Okay, compared with previous years. Okay, if we zoom out, this is a super many years already, 2012 until now. So you can see since 2015, actually Masses is slowing going down. Okay, just that not so obvious lah. Okay, so 2021 onwards, you can see they gonna wash down, but they rebound, now go into sideways. Okay, so for me, compared with previous year, at least they are more stabilized and they do have potential to, based on the chart lah, they do have potential to turn around lah. Okay, this is what I see lah. And yeah, but this is a very long term punya point of view. Okay, you can see this downtrend 2015, they can downtrend until 2020. Okay, slowly. Okay, but this one I see, what I see is they are no longer that into downtrend. Okay, they are like stabilized already. So but this need patience. You can see they up down like that. Okay, not really jalan that much, but in long run I think it's okay lah. Okay, but yeah, you need to read the fundamental lah. This is what I see on the technical point of view. Okay, how about the Genting Malaysia? Oh, today Wayang come already. Okay, they has been diam for quite many weeks lah. Okay, I think last week I do mention Genting Malaysia is much stronger than Genting. Okay, due to they already above 20 and 50 MA. Okay, and today they do spike out. Okay, so spike out, happy or not lah? I need to see many resistant to challenge So first thing first. Oh, okay. Okay, so what we can see from here, okay, they do have a support here. 206, 210, now turn into resistance. Okay, just in conjunction with 200 MA. So take note, here is your resistance 206, 210. Okay, if happen, they can clear. Because they have a gap down here, right? So the gap 228. So will be your R2. Okay, so yeah, you need to review level by level 206 or 210. Okay, but at least today show a very strong price action. Hopefully they can continue to push up. Okay, clear the 210 lah. Once clear 210, then maybe you can see potential fill the gap. Okay, 99 smart tak begitu cantik. Okay, due to they already broken down below 215. So this one, based on what I see now, not so nice lah. Okay, because they also below all moving averages. By zooming in, not much volume leh. So I think they were just sideways within 2 ringgit to 215 like that. Okay, but short-term momentum not nice already lah. Okay, previously back in April, you can see they made a strong comeback. They built a good base. Okay, but they already broken down. So I would say, okay, short-term tak begitu cantik already. Okay, how about the... Oh, I thought a bit slow. Okay, let me speed up a bit. YBS cannot, still tak cantik. Okay, not much volume and they are still in the sell mode lah. Okay, still in the sell mode. So, nothing yet. Okay, how about the SCG Berhad? Oh, okay, this one is still alright. Okay, SCG Berhad, at least, yeah, you can see back in April, we know what happened, right? Okay, they make a very quick and fast recovery. Okay, then recovered here, so far supported. Okay, today neutral lah, closing neutral. So I would say SCG so long above 115, still okay. They are still in the uptrend mode lah. Okay, this sell down was due to the, you know lah, Donald Trump, the tariff things. But yeah, they recovered very fast. So they back to normal already. Okay, so continue sideways or continue uptrend. So still okay, still in a good shape. How about the SolarVest? Okay, SolarVest also okay lah. Despite on and off they kena whack down lah, but they also make quite a good recovery. Okay, just that currently they are more on slowing down to uptrend. Okay, compared with previously 2023, 2024, you can see the uptrend is very fast. Okay, but July onwards, last year July onwards, you can see they macam started to go sideways macam ini lah. Okay, the growth of the price no longer that fast and furious like previous years. Okay, they are like more on sideways movement lah. But in general, they are, if we zoom out, you can see they are still in the uptrend punya. Okay, so just that maybe short term you may feel some boring lah. Okay, maybe you will feel a bit boring. Maybe sideways saja macam ini. Okay, so from here, a proven support, I will see 150 cannot 152. Okay, so 155, 152 is a crucial support lah for me. Cannot break down. If they break down, they do have potential to turn into downtrend. Okay, for these SolarVest lah. Okay, no breakdown, still okay. VS a bit disappointed leh, VS. Okay, VS, they are crucials. Okay, they do have a very strong pump out on 13th of May, but they washed down lah. Okay, they washed down. 815 broken down. 795 broken down. So for me, susah already. Okay, tentatively I see not nice. Okay, not nice. Okay, how about the Affin? Oh, Affin also tak cantik ah. Affin previously they already broken down below 200 MAs, right? Then sell down, and they do make a rebound to 200 MAs. Okay, 275. So seems like this is a proven resistance lah. They lagi break down 260. So for me, even the bounce up also may attract the further sell down. So for me, Affin also tak begitu cantik already lah. Okay, tak begitu cantik already. So I think SolarVest still got chance, but VS maybe depends on the tech sector lah. And Affin, for me like let's see, I chart tak cantik lah. Okay, chart tak cantik. Okay, Sendai also no game lah. Sendai already resisted by 200 MA, so now they might going down to 420 lah, maybe. Okay, Salute Thursday recovered 220 you 10 on 220 lah, but I don't like these counters due to the characteristic. Okay, how about the Parkson? 百胜大减哦，百胜大减价 they ada Mario. Why Still got people go but the volume price action okay leh. Okay, the day before today I mean last week lah. Actually the structure okay leh. Oh, at least they going back above 200 MAs. Okay, Friday also closed cantik, and you can see the volume also improve and today they pump out already. So based on what I see here, yeah, of course, if you already in earlier, 235, 240 is your resistance, okay, because here, okay, but if you just plan to go in, I think maybe Wednesday we'll review again, okay, wait for them to retrace, go sideways, we see any chances. Okay, technically, I would say, yeah, they make a very, I cannot say very lah, technically, I can say they looks like making some move and the momentum all is still okay. So this one, not instant entry yet, but if they have a good retracement, worth to monitor lah. Okay. I think I don't want to put in. I feel sometimes they quite like to con. So yeah, maybe when I say review again and we see any chances. Okay, how about the CMB? Okay, CMB for me, my worry is because they has been building a triple top breakdown, break 200 MAs, continue sell down, even the rebound also looks like no momentum, kena sell down. Okay, this is why I worried if they break below 680. Okay, if they break below 680, we may see another sell down to maybe 628 or even 6 ringgit level. So for me, overall structure, they are quite weak. Okay, quite weak. And provided they break down 680 lah, if they can continue sideways, stay above 680 for the next few weeks, maybe they got potential to bounce from here low. If they break down 680, I think they may go down further leh. Okay, if you look at the bigger pictures, this is a big pictures. You can see, oh, this is an uptrend. This is a sideways. Finally break down 200 MAs already. Never recovered. So based on here, is it means they do have potential to change into downtrend? Right. So yeah, depends on your duration. But short term point of view, I would say still not so strong yet lah. Okay. Long term holder, then you can look for entry slowly to accumulate. Okay, EG is still alright. Okay, EG so long above 105, short-term momentum is still okay. Okay, and most importantly, I will put the last defense at the 990 level lah. Okay, let me see. I put in the watch list Okay, if they break down 990, then tak cantik loh. Hello, Ismail Adam. Good evening. Hello, Yuan Oma. Okay, review Hapsing. Hapsing biscuit. Let's see. Oh, I think you buy the biscuit to eat It's better. At least you can eat at least. Oh, you buy the biscuit go grocery buy the biscuit At least you can eat but if you buy this one, if you cut loss, then apa pun tak ada. Okay, so what we can see on this Hop Sing trend before February, they are in a good uptrend. Okay, 2023 onwards 2024 also in a good uptrend. Okay, volatile a bit last year, volatile a bit, but it's still okay, still on the uptrend side. But this year onwards they already broken down 200 MAs Okay, this also indicate that the uptrend macam habis already. Okay, let's zoom in and we see what happened. Okay, ever since this beginning of this year, when they broken down below 200 MAs, they resisted by 200 MAs, continue sell down. Okay, so the last hope as you can see here, they always try to defend here 945 930 if you want to try on the potential maybe rebound, okay, yeah, you make sure the price don't break below 930 Okay, if they break below 930 they will have further downside and you will regret why not I just buy their big why not I just buy their biscuit to eat, why I want to buy their stocks. Okay, because here you can see when they rise up they don't have any support here, so when they break down they will go down easily, maybe to 80 cents level. Okay, so this is the last hope but if for trading point of view, yeah, of course you can if you can cut loss maybe you can set your stop loss as maybe 920 level Okay, maybe play a rebound to 1 ringgit, then cabut, also possible. Okay, but risk is there. Okay, JF Tech. Okay, JF Tech I think covered already, right? Yeah, covered already. Potential or not? I think yes Above 440 still alright. Sendai cover already or not? Yeah, Sendai cover already. Not nice. I remember the chart only not really remember the stocks. TTVHB already broken down below 630. So for me, tentatively no good. Okay, resistance 630, 655. Okay. Another 200 MAs if you want is a 70 cents level, and the support for instant 570, but for me stronger one I prefer wait at 50 cents and 480 level but this one at the moment not in a good shape yet, so boleh tunggu. If boleh tunggu, then tunggu a bit tunggu longer a bit. How about this Jayatiasa? Jayatiasa already broken down 110. For me, tak begitu cantik. Okay, let's see. If you want to see they can or not, you need to see a CPO CPO price 3750. Okay, potential bottoming for CPO or not? I think potential potential. Okay, but they are still in a downtrend So go back to Jayatiasa, but maybe those commodities if the how to say if the ONG counters ONG oil price suddenly spike out, maybe they might bring up some commodity punya sentiment, maybe the so-called palm oil soybean or they might go up a little bit more. So tentatively technically if we base on these counters, this chart is not nice already, because they already broken down below 110, broken down below 115. Okay, so based on here, your last chance is today's low 103. Okay, but for me, yeah, maybe we need to wait for something Okay, at the moment I would say still not so nice. Okay, if the maybe CPO price they still continue sideways or downtrend they may go to 1 ringgit or 950 level. Okay, HSI we covered already, but a quick go through is they are still okay Okay, they are still okay. Just that they are approaching the resistance, which is 24.7k, and also they went up. Part of the reason also because of the good news Okay, right? So if the good news is no longer better than the next good news then the price a little bit difficult to push up. Okay, because last week market push up also one of the reason due to the China US trade talk. Okay, they start to want to negotiate only. Okay, market already push up, but we still don't know how is the progress. Okay, whether they can gaduh or not. Okay, maybe they will say not so smooth. Okay, we gaduh already. Then we still need to talk further, something like that. Okay, if this create more uncertainty, then market a little bit susah to move out further lah. Okay, so for SIM, you can see this SIM already in the downtrending channel, and recently they break below the support lah. Okay, so for me, they are still very bad shape. Okay, unless the next few days they can go back above 180 lah. Otherwise, they support. Okay, they bounce from this level. They bounce from 168. Okay, I prefer wait for them to stabilize. Okay, if they can stay above 168, also is a good sign for them. Okay, but still in a bad shape lah at the moment. So what I see is, okay, if they can go back above 180 and get supported, then okay. Okay, maybe got a chance to rebound back to 2 ringgit level. But if they are unable to recover back above, then we see whether they can sideways around here or not. Okay, if they break below 168, so sayonara already. Okay, tak cantik already. Okay, if they break down here, 160, 140 also possible. So hopefully 168 they can defend well. Okay, Bitcoin S1, S2, S3. Now let's go back to P2P. This is a daily chart. Okay, for me if based on the bigger pictures 100k low, 100k, 98.8k. Okay, S1, S2. This is one of the crucial support zone. Okay, then 92k and 90k. Okay, but I think for short at the moment what I see is a little bit difficult for them to go back here. But yeah, anything is possible for crypto market lah. Okay, for me this is a zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3. Okay, 100k, 98.8k, 92k, 90k, and 80k, 82k will be your S1, S2, S3. Okay, but if the price happen come back to here, I think the overall structure is very ugly already. Okay, so I hope that they can maintain above 100k, so the momentum will be very strong. Okay, if they wash all the way down to 80k, I think they will sideways for quite some time lah. Okay, they will. The bull run will delay already. Okay, so I think the next things we need to monitor for those who are into the crypto market the next coins you need to watch out is the Ethereum. Okay, so let me use another chart. Okay, this one Ethereum has been pump up sideways. Okay, so Ethereum, watch out for the breakout 2007. If they can clear 2007, they may make a comeback. Okay, so I also heard a lot of so-called crypto news. Quite a lot big funds are looking into them lah. So just that, yet to happen. We need a confirmation breakup. Okay, so high risk, high return lah. High risk, high return. Okay, how about Dofu? Dofu got volumes leh. Okay, Dofu last week memang ugly. Last week memang ugly when they broken down below 120. So at least they are trying to go back above 120 already. Today closing 122. So Dofu not too bad at the moment, but not until good lah. Okay, because not much volumes mah. Okay, so at the moment we can see the bottom line. The bottom line is a 114. Okay, don't break down lah. Stay above still alright. Okay, how about the Masing? Masing rebounding, but not much strength lah. Not much strength. Okay, so for Masing, to be safe, Masing need to go above 115. Above 115, then cantik lah. Okay, baru safe lah. If they, because the rebound I see macam not much volumes. So for me, not so convinced me. So maybe you need to take note on the resistance. Okay, how about the dialogue? Dialogue really come up to fill the gap, then wash down, continue sideways. So tentatively, your support 144, 138 is a support zone. Cannot break down. Once break down, okay, even if they go below 144, I think not so strong already. Okay, Telecom. Okay, Telecom currently they are at the 200 MAs lah. So 650, 655 would be your immediate support. Okay, also it's a 200 MAs. Okay, and maybe you can put your last defense at 640 loh. If they break below 640, they not so nice lah. Okay, Aeon Credit. Tak cantik leh. Okay, let me see. Still tak cantik for Aeon Credit. Already broken down below 200 MAs back in last year November, and okay, they found a bottom here lah, 565. Okay, but the momentum is still favorable to the bear at the moment. Okay, so if you plan to go in, okay, you are like more on maybe buy for long term. Okay, if you think, okay, if your mindset is like, okay, I want to buy for investment, then yeah, okay. If you just for trading, then not now lah. Okay, so maybe I can give you a support 1, 2, 3 for you to, maybe you can split your entry. 565, which is a quite current support already lah. 565, 550, 535, S1, S2, S3. Okay, provided you have already read all the fundamental analysis and you think this is a good buy for the next 3 to 5 years, and now you are buying on the weakness lah. Okay, weakening, buy when they are weakening, then okay. Okay, but if you are just trading, then not now. Okay, so yeah, depends. Memang susah sometimes. UMC okay, I don't know these counters leh. Okay. Oh, I think last time draw before already. Okay, they already broken down below 570 already. This one, they still have more downside lah. This is what I see. And even though they have volumes they also whack down this one. Nothing yet. Okay, this one I see nothing yet. At least from the chart I can see this counter is quite illiquid lah. So probably they might continue sideways, but they are still in a downtrend. So yeah, don't waste your money there first lah. Okay. Ambulance just now covered lah, still alright. Okay, above 260, structure still cantik lah. QES. Okay, QES memang tak cantik because they already broken down 390. Okay, now they are at their last defense lah, 345 lah, cannot break down lah. Once break down, more downside lah. Okay, but I would say they are still tak cantik lah. Okay, they are tak cantik lah. Okay, Hawk. Okay, Hawk, these counters quite new September last year. Okay, 50 cents. Quite difficult to analyze because of the chart a bit weird. Okay, take note on 480 as your immediate support lah. Okay, so if they can stay above, short term is still alright. But if they break 480, they may go to 440 or even lower. Okay, let me see FFB. Farm Fresh. Okay. Let me load. Okay, Farm Fresh. You can see since 2023 December, they already recovered above 200 MAs. So they already in uptrend. Okay, just that these counters, the characteristic, they are very slow. Okay, you can see they climb very slow, only go to 165. They climb very slow, only to 182. Then they now go into sideways. Okay, so for me, they are still in the uptrend because the price is still supported by the 200 MAs, which is above 175 lah. Okay, just that the characteristic, they are very slow. Okay, they maybe go sideways. Many months they baru move out a bit. Okay, but at least this counter is still in the uptrend lah. Okay, if you see still cannot walk, cannot move, you go grocery, you promote more the milk lah. Okay, try to help their sales. Okay, MBank. MBank is still okay lah. Okay, they are still like in the middle of whether they want to turn downtrend or not. Okay, so at least the price I can see they are still above 200 MAs, but they are still macam resisted by the 100 MAs. So you can see recently they macam struggle to go up or go down. Okay, so I put a level lah. 525 is a support. 550 is a resistance. Okay, if they break below 525, dangerous lah. Okay, maybe they will turn into downtrend already. If they break above 550, then they can go up further. Okay, so CMB, Affin just now cover already. So if you notice, most of our banking sector macam turning downtrend punya. Let me confirm again with, let me see Maybank lah. I also wonder. Yeah, Maybank also tak begitu cantik leh. Oh, if you see, Maybank also break down 200 MAs. So most of the bank, they macam sudah broken down below 200 MAs. So for MBank, maybe the chances for them to break down is slightly higher lah. Okay, I cannot say confirm lah, but at least based on here, I can say their peers. Okay, all other banks are also macam a bit topish. Maybe they need a big correction. Okay, so for me is I feel not so hurry yet because maybe you will have more chance to get at the lower price lah. Okay, so 40 cents lah. 40 cents need to get supported, but overall I think no game yet lah. But if you're interested, you turn on 40 cents. So Timecom is still okay lah. Okay, Timecom is still okay. You can see the characteristic. If we zoom out on the bigger pictures, I do mention many times in the live session already. Okay, you need to tahan on the boringness of these kind of counters. Okay, they can jalan, they can sideways for 1 or 2 years, then they jalan, they sideways. Okay, now they jalan. Okay, so maybe they feel topish already, they will go sideways. But you can see from 2020 onwards until now, the trend is macam ini punya. Okay, uptrend 1 year, sideways 2 year, uptrend 1 year, sideways 2 year. So maybe now they still in the uptrend, but big trend point of view, they are still in a good shape. Okay, at least you can see macam ladder lah, slowly go up. Or you can see it's a macam one dragon like that still flying up lah, still okay lah. But short term, I think no point for us to look into a short term because short term they will have a up and downs like that. Okay, for me, so long they are above 200 MAs is in a very good shape already. Okay, on and off, of course, they will go into a below 200 MAs. But in long run, yeah, they are still in a very good uptrend side. Uptrend. Okay, how about the MSM? MSM susah a bit leh. Okay, previously they was okay when they go above 200 MAs. But on 22nd of May, they gonna press down already. So now they are still pressured by the bear leh. So for me, MSN tentatively not in a good shape yet. Okay, maybe they might revisit 1 ringgit or even lower. Okay, how about this Kobe? Kobe tentatively I see nothing yet leh. Okay, also not much volumes. Okay, for instance, the support is a 118 level lah, but still not so attractive yet lah. Okay, so how about Hub Sing stocks lose 100 pack of Hub Sing biscuit. Sometimes you cut loss maybe can buy a whole the whole lorry already. Okay, Inari. Not much volumes, but building up a bit lah. Okay, momentum building up a bit lah. Okay, recently our ringgit too strong already leh, not so good for them leh. We need a weak ringgit ma, strong dollar. We do export punya ma. Okay, so not much volume now, but okay, I would say Inari above 175 should be alright. Okay, but they don't have much how to say they don't have much movement lately. MN holding. Okay, let's see. Still okay, still in the uptrend. Okay, just that on and off, you can see when they kena overshoot, they will smash down, go sideways. So now you can see they also macam overshoot. Okay, what I expect, maybe they will smash down and go sideways. Okay, macam inilah, macam ini. This is the volatility. But you can see on the long run, okay, at least they are still in uptrending counters. Okay, Franken. Oh, this one long time no see. Oh, okay, surprisingly, 30th of May, tapi the next few days they could still go up lah. Okay, for Franken, they need to clear 4 ringgit sign lah. Okay, once they can clear above 4 ringgit, should be okay. But at least the performance looks better than, I think we can say, Inari lah, because when I was young, they macam put together as a tech counters Inari, Franken, and what Penta, or and this one, I think the performance, okay, at least they try to make a very good comeback. Okay, above 354, I would say they are still in a quite a good shape lah, I would say. But also subject to the world economy, okay, world sentiment on the tech counters. But I see here, yeah, they are still okay, just that they need to clear 4 ringgit, then only got more upside. Okay, for this ADB, hey, is it due to the e-invoicing kena postpone the gap down? But okay lah, even though they have gap down, but you can see on Friday they have a lot of volume come back to support back the price like. So it's still okay. Okay, just that you can see the peak macam somewhere around 120 only lah. Okay, this is the resistance. Okay, but I would say so long above 945, still okay. Okay, just that you can see the movement every time they peak, they gonna wash down, go sideways. Move out again, peak again, gonna wash down, go sideways. Now macam peak already, gonna wash down, go sideways. Okay, this is what I think lah, the movement. Okay, don't know what to ask, just wait for the list to keep watching from you. Okay, no problem. Okay, so later I will share the list around here lah. Okay, so I will share in my Telegram. So yeah, you can rewatch and see which counters I think they have a better structure for us to do the case studies. Okay, UUE, good volumes. Okay, good volumes. Let me see. They do have a breakout above 730. So I think, yeah, even though today closing looks a little bit like end of day got some profit taking activities lah, but the structure, I think they macam ini sideways. They break out on Friday. So today macam what I see here looks like a little bit profit taking, but still okay lah. Maybe they will come back to test a support. So on this overall structure, they don't break down 680, then okay already lah. Okay, this one old support I delete first. Okay, so this is a sideways zone, 730, 70 cents, 680, S1, S2, S3. Below 680, tak cantik lah. Don't short Bitcoin leh. Don't short. Memang don't short. Okay, if you are with a stop loss, then okay. But for me, I don't encourage to short the crypto market in this bull run. Okay, because when they go up, they have no limit punya. Okay, but when they go out, they memang no limit. Okay, so if want to short, I think at least wait until end of this year or next year, maybe they will turn into downtrend. Okay, this is what I think lah. For this year, at the moment, I am still quite bullish with the crypto market. So even down also is a short term. And what I worry is over the weekend, maybe they suddenly shoot up. They will clear all your position. So I only look for long for Bitcoin, Ethereum them. Hetalaga. I think everyone already forgotten this company already. So susah lah. Susah lah. Okay, previously they do have a breakout. Okay, give us some hope lah. Tapi they come back already. So become hopeless lah. Okay, so now I still not optimistic with them until we see something. Okay, we can see not much volumes. So some more 20 cross below 50, downtrend in tech. Okay, so and also this was due to the news lah. If not mistaken, it's like the the US tariff on the China, then Malaysia thought they ada hope. Okay, tapi they already kawan back already, so we become hopeless lah. So susah lah at the moment. Okay, I see nothing yet. Okay, so for this one, if can wait, we wait for some solid price action only plan lah. Okay, otherwise they may slowly sell down all the way, maybe to 140 also possible. Okay, so no rush. Okay, somehow our ringgit so strong already, not so attractive already leh. If can go back to 450 480 then maybe export looks a little bit good lah. Okay, Scientech also tak begitu. Okay, Scientech ever since they break down 355 I think tak begitu cantik leh. Okay, so tenor on 330 as your immediate support and 320 lah 330 320 as your support zone lah. But still in the downtrend lah. Okay, the momentum is still favor to the bear. Okay, so not so strong yet. Okay, okay, today I overrun a lot already. So apologize. We already talked until near 10 p.m. already. Breakdown to ringgit tak cantik. Okay, FPI do nothing. Okay, do nothing yet. The bear is still in full control. Okay, especially they already broken down below 2 ringgit mark. Okay, so the next stop could be easily could be 150 level. So this one let them wash down first lah. Okay, let the falling knife fall until cannot fall first. Okay, so yeah, no strength yet. Okay, so yeah, 154 also possible lah. If they break down 165, and no, not 165 166, or we can say is 166 already. Okay, if they break down below 166, next level 154. This one still got room to fall lah. Okay, so don't take the risk lah. Don't take a risk. Let them settle down first. Okay, apologize that I overrun for so long lah. Okay, so thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to the services. And for those who need a today watch list, you may screenshot this QR code. Okay, and later I will share on the Telegram. Then you can replay back and see what I explained and where is the last defense of each counters lah. Okay, at least we got some homework to do as a case studies for the upcoming days. Okay, so that's all for tonight, and see you on Wednesday 8:30 lah. Thank you everyone, and see you on Wednesday. Thank you.